How to use your Android phone as a Wi-Fi repeater or extender. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to use your Android phone as a Wi-Fi repeater or extender without the need to root your phone. But before I do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So if you want to extend your Wi-Fi range in your home, but you don't actually have a Wi-Fi repeater or extender, you can actually do this by using your Android phone. So what you need to do is head over to the Play Store and then do a search for the app called NetShare. So on my screen, the fourth one down is NetShare No Root Tethering. So tap on that app and install it. Once installed, ensure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi that you want to extend in your home. Then tap on Open to open up the app. Once you're in the app, you just tap on the option that says Start Wi-Fi Hotspot, and then it says Android system requires location permission to turn on Wi-Fi Direct. Please tap OK to allow or cancel to abort. So I'm just going to tap on OK. Then I'm just going to do while using the app. And as you can see, this just has set up my Wi-Fi details. So it's set up a name, it's set up a password, and it's got the WPS option. If you need any more information, you can tap on the More Help button at the bottom right hand corner. Now you can use this phone as a repeater. So what you need to do is go to the other Android device that you would like to use to browse the internet on in your home. And then it says connecting from Android devices. So it says you've got to launch the NetShare app in the other device and then tap connect in the action bar. Then if you want to connect from any other device like a laptop or an Apple device, you have to connect the device to the hotspot. Then set the proxy settings to this address and that port. And then this way you can use your Android phone as a Wi-Fi extender. And that's all it takes to use your Android phone as a Wi-Fi repeater or extender without having to root your phone. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.